What's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys doing great. It's great to see you guys again. Today in this tutorial we're going to use type on a path under this type menu. So we have this type on a path. We're going to look up for different options which is available here. So you can use this for the purpose of making logo. You can use it for the purpose of typography. You can use it for different artwork, but you're going to deal with all the text here. So first I'm going to draw this rectangle shape so I can show you how we are going to use it for different shape and how we're going to add our text. So I'm going to make this ellipse, and also I'm going to add this polygon shape as well. So the sixth side is going to be okay. So we're going to add that by holding Alt and Shift. We're going to scale this, and also I'm going to make a single line here using the pen tool. So we're going to hold the Shift key so we can make a straight line. So now if I want to add a text on any path, so here we have this path on the top, we have path on the left, we have path on the right, and we have on the bottom. So for this ellipse tool also there is going to be this path, and also for every shape here we have the path included, this line which is also going to be it's already a path. So we are going to add our text here. So I'm going to just right click here and grab type on a path tool, so I can just click on this. So here I have this text. So if we want to just edit that, so I'm going to just double click so you can edit, and also you can hold Ctrl S to select everything. You can change the font size, the font style, and also you can change the font here. And if I want to move the text, as you can see we have these lines which is going to represent here as a handle that I can move the text. So as you can see here I can move my text anywhere I want to. And if I want to move the path along with my text, when I move my path along with that, the text is also going to move. So we're going to try to add this for this rectangle shape. So we're going to grab this type on a path tool. So here I'm going to find the path and click on that. So now I have the text for this shape. So the same thing that we can move the text using this handles here, you can use this for different shapes. So we have this right here, so I can just move to just make it something like this up here. And also here I'm going to click on this ellipse tool as well. So this is how you can use it for different shape. And if we want to actually change some options for this, so what you can do is that you need to go to this type, and here type on a path. We have the rainbow which is already a default for every type on a path tool that we're going to add our text on a path. So you have to go with different options. So here we have this skew, we have this 30 ribbon, we have this stair step, we have the gravity. So from here you can select any of these options, so your text is going to fit according to this which is skew. So let's try to add this. So we're going to select one of our so this is going to be the shape that we want to apply this type on a path option, and we're going to apply this skew. As you can see, the skew is applied on this shape. So if you want to apply it on multiple shapes, so we are going to select everything, go to the type here, type on a path. So we are going to click on 30 ribbon. So as you can see, all the text is going to be on 30 ribbon, but here for this one it didn't change anything. Why is that? Because it's only for the rounded shapes. So let me show you this stair step. So if we are going to select that, so it's going to be something like this, and it's going to sort our text on stair steps. And if I'm going to select this one and we want to apply this stair step, so let's try to first apply the sturdy ribbon. Nothing actually changed, but if we want to apply this stair step on that, still there is nothing going to change. Why is that? Because it's only going to work for the rounded shape. But if we want to apply this on this one, let's try to apply it with 30 ribbon first, which is already we used to apply on that. It's going to work for this. So let's try to apply it on the apply it with the stair step. So as you can see, the stair step is also going to work for this one. Let's try to apply it for this one. Also it's going to work for this shape. But if we want to use this gravity, so as you can see, the gravity is also going to work. Let's try to Control A everything. Let me Control C. So we are going to select everything, go to the type menu, and here type on a path. So here we have this type on a path option. So if we want to apply this gravity along with your rounded shape, because for only the shape that is nothing change here, let me undo. I think for this one a little bit changes here, but let's try to do it again. We are going to click on gravity. So the only shape that here doesn't change is this ellipse shape, that it didn't change anything. So here we have one of options that you can select the options under this type on a path option. So we have all this rainbow, skew, 30 ribbon, stair step, gravity under this type on a path option. So we're going to click at that. So here we have this little window which is pop up here. So we have this type on a path options. So we have the same effects, so you can find it under this. So we have this skew, 30 ribbon, stair step, everything is under this effect. So you can select this flip. Let me turn on this preview. So you can on this flip, so the text is going to flip. So for the rounded shapes and for the rectangle shape, so it's going to be this under this in this side of the path, so it's going to be under path. So if you uncheck this flip, so it's not going to flip. So for this one, as you can see from that side, now this text is in this side, so it's going to flip all your text. And also we have this align to path, so you can go with the ascender. So if you select this ascender, so you can align it according to the path. You can select descender. As you can see, the text is now it's outside the path. You can call it's a little bit there is a space between this path and the text. And also here we have this center. If you want to put this on the center of the path, you need to go to this with the align to path to center. And also we have the baseline. According to the baseline, so this path here you can call for the text, it's a baseline. So according to the baseline is going to align it. So here we have some spacing as well. If you want to just click here, so you can go with the minus and you can go with the plus, which is this 15. If you just go with that, so you can see the space up to 18. And if I want to increase this number, so I'm going to increase the spacing. So this is how you're going to use this option, which is type on a path. So now you know how to use all the options which is available with the type on a path. So if you want to use it for your artwork, so you have to first make your shape, then you have to grab your type on a path tool, and then the option for the type on a path is going to be turned on, and you can use to change some option here. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any question or doubt, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to the channel. So see you guys in the next video.